Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner.com's Learn Urdu through English video tutorial series. And today we are going to learn about present simple tense, simple present tense or present indefinite tense in Urdu. How do we make present indefinite tense in Urdu, and what are some rules to follow? Let's start. Present indefinite tense is called fail hal in Urdu. Hal means present and fail is verb. So fail hal is present indefinite tense. And I will tell you a simple rule how to make a present simple tense, or how to identify a present simple tense in Urdu, and then we will make different sentences using different pronouns. Uh, so, if we have, let's suppose we have a verb khana. Khana is to eat. To eat. Khana. So, if at the end of the phrase we have got ta hai, for example, खाता है, or for female खाती है. For male we will use ta hai, and for female we use ti hai. So if you have got ti hai or ta hai at the end of the sentence, then you can say that it's a present indefinite tense. And ta hai and ti hai comes with the pronouns he, she, and it. Means, for example, वो खाता है, वो लड़का, that boy खाता है, and वो लड़की खाती है. And for example, if we are talking about a dog, then we say वो खाता है, or similarly वो खाती है, male and female version. For the first person pronoun we use ta, हूँ. खाता हूँ. So for I, मैं खाता हूँ. Let's take the second person pronoun you. तुम खाते हो. Now, as I have already told you, that for you we can use two scenarios. For a younger person we use tum, and for an older person or elder person and out of respect we say aap. So it would be तुम खाते हो. और आप खाते हैं. तुम खाते हो, आप खाते हैं. Similarly, for them of they, we use वो खाते हैं, वो खाते हैं for plural. वो खाते हैं. And for us, हम. We eat, हम खाते हैं. हम खाते हैं. So we have noticed that if at the end of the phrase we have got ता है, ते हैं, ती है for female और ते हो for second person pronoun. तुम खाते हो, you eat. Then we can say that that sentence is in present indefinite tense or that sentence is a fail hal, present simple tense. So now we will take different pronouns and make some sentences just to do a little practice. Sona, to sleep. Sona. I sleep. मैं. So what will come after so? You are right. सोता हूँ. You sleep. तुम सोते हो. And he sleeps. वो सोता है. She sleeps. वो सोती है. वो सोती है. And it sleeps would be either वो सोता है और वो सोती है depending upon the gender. They sleep. They sleep. In Urdu we write वो सोते हैं. And we sleep. हम सोते हैं. So, as we have noticed that either at the end of the verb, depending upon the pronoun, we got at the end of the phrase ता हूँ, ते हो, ता है, ती है, ते है, ते हैं, and ते हैं. So there are just three versions, that is ta, te and ti, and depending upon the pronouns we can add हूँ for मैं सोता हूँ, तुम सोते हो, आप सोते हैं, वो सोता है, वो सोता है, वो सोती है, वो सोते हैं और हम सोते हैं. So this is how we make a simple phrase in present simple tense. Now we will take the negative form. For example, I don't sleep. In Urdu, we will write मैं नहीं सोता हूँ. So you can also say मैं सोता नहीं हूँ of मैं नहीं सोता हूँ और मैं नहीं सोता हूँ. I don't sleep. You don't sleep. You don't sleep. तुम नहीं सोते हो. So you may have noticed that we are just adding nahi and the sentence remains the same. मैं सोता हूँ, मैं नहीं सोता हूँ. तुम सोते हो, तुम नहीं सोते हो. He doesn't sleep. वो नहीं सोता है या वो सोता नहीं है. वो नहीं सोता है. She doesn't sleep. वो नहीं सोती है. And similarly for it, we can say वो नहीं सोता है और वो नहीं सोती है depending upon the gender of an animal, of a bird. Now let's take they don't sleep. वो नहीं सोते हैं. And we don't sleep. हम नहीं सोते हैं. And as I have already told you that for you we can say आप नहीं सोते हैं. आप for an older person or out of respect आप नहीं सोते हैं. Now let's make few sentences about interrogative form if you want to ask the question. And now let's take another verb. Gana. Gana is to sing. So, do I sing? In Urdu, we will write and we will say kya. Kya is used to ask a question. क्या मैं गाना से गाता. क्या मैं गाता हूँ. So we would be using ta, ti and te. क्या मैं गाता हूँ for first person. Do you sing? Do you sing? There can be two versions. क्या तुम गाते हो और क्या आप गाते हैं. क्या आप गाते हैं. क्या वो गाता है. Does he sing? क्या वो गाता है? Does she sing? क्या वो गाती है? And क्या वो चीज गाती है? Does it sing? For example, we are talking about a parrot. So then we say क्या वो गाता है? Because parrot is masculine in Urdu. Do they sing? क्या वो गाते हैं? Do they sing? In Urdu, क्या वो गाते हैं? And in the end, क्या हम गाते हैं? Do we sing? क्या हम गाते हैं? So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we use present simple tense in Urdu. Let us recap. Usually we use ta, ti and te. So if the verb at the end of the verb we have got ta, ti and of te, then we can say that sentence is in present simple tense. And with I we use whom, with you we use तुम गाते हो of हैं. With he we use है, with she we use है, and with they and we use हैं. वो गाते हैं, हम गाते हैं. For negative sentences we just add नहीं, वो नहीं गाता है, तुम नहीं गाते हो, मैं नहीं गाता हूं. And for interrogative sentences we add क्या at the beginning of the sentence. Now it's time to do an exercise. You should be making all these sentences, the simple sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences in present simple tense using the verbs to go, जाना. मैं जाता हूं, तुम जाते हो, आप जाते हैं, वो जाता है, वो जाती है, हम जाते हैं, वो जाते हैं. To go and to read, which is पढ़ना, पढ़ना. And to dance, which is नाचना. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me for Ifactner's video tutorial. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.